Guys, we are not eating hot dogs, nor are we eating meat. We're gonna be eating this. Now you're gonna want the day off once you watch this episode. Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode, guys. Look at my mustard. Dude, we're gonna put some sauce on this motherfucker. So today in the kitchen, we are gonna be making something that is completely irrelevant to a hot dog. We are gonna be making a sweet, sensual, seductive French toast. And it's gonna make you wanna wish that you had the morning off. Like, you don't wanna go to work because you're gonna wanna make this. So we're gonna get started with our strawberries, and we're just gonna chop them up into like fours, and we're gonna throw them right into our saucepan. We're gonna eyeball about a half a cup of water. We're just gonna eyeball a half of a cup of sugar. Looks like about a half a cup, right, Nick? Half of a cup. And if you wanna get really fancy with it, you can take some orange zest and throw it right into your water. So right now I'm stirring up my strawberries to make sure that they don't burn, and that way all of our sugar, our orange zest, and our strawberries are all infused all into one. So our dredge mixture is basically our soak and bath before we take our bread and we fry it. So we're gonna get started with a half a cup of milk. Maybe it's a cup, who knows? Just eyeball it. 2 whole eggs. And then we're gonna sprinkle it with some cinnamon. And we're gonna jazz it up with some nutmeg and, of course, some homemade vanilla extract. And it's gonna be a little boozy, but we cooking that stuff off. So we're just gonna do about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And guys, I really don't have to go into detail with this one, just slice your bread. I would say that the best bread to use for French toast is brioche, but I also have a French loaf here. Whichever bread you connect with the most. Best way to do this, serrated knife. Go into it and just slice away, slice, 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 slice. Ooh, gorgeous, into your dredge. Let it sit there for a minute. Don't let your bread soak up too much because we don't want to destroy it. So maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and then flip it over. We are gonna take a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna throw it into our pan. We're gonna heat this up. We're gonna take our bread, and it's gonna go into our pan until it's golden brown and crispy on one side. Then we're gonna flip it over. So now we're gonna take a small bowl, and we're gonna take our mascarpone cream. Then we're gonna take some of our jam. We're not gonna use all of it because we wanna use some as a garnish. And we're just gonna mix everything together. That's exactly what we want. Ladies and gents, it is time for our favorite part, plating, and then it is time to feast. So we're in the business of making things looking pretty. So we're gonna take our strawberry mascarpone and we're gonna throw it onto our plate. But with intention, my boys. So we're gonna do it like this. Just like that. And then we're just gonna make it look nice! Get this out of here! Let's try it again. Let's try this again. So our mascarpone cream is laid out on our plate. So then we're gonna take our French toast and we're just gonna make it look nice here. And then we're gonna layer our French toast with that. Some powdered sugar. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then some lemon zest. What's going on here, people? Look at that. Oh, hell yeah, we want some syrup. Because we're not gonna go crazy with it. We're just gonna make it look nice. Oh, yeah. Okay, some mint. Oh, and then we want some more powdered sugar? Okay, this is what you asked for. And maybe some final touch because we like maple syrup and honey because we like options here. Some honey, there's some honey, there's some honey. Oh, there it goes.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Let it go on 1, 2, 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, a decadent, sweet, succulent French toast with a strawberry-infused mascarpone cream. Now, if you guys like this, slap the like button. And also, comment as to what you like on your French toast because we know that this is not the only way to do things. I wanna wish everyone a happy Halloween, and I am off to eat this, so boo. Don't eat me, eat this. See you later. Whoop, whoop.